Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the fundamentals. Set your monitor to its native resolution and native refresh rate so scaling artifacts don't appear. Once done, force your GPU to output 8-bit or higher color with 4 chroma if available. This avoids color blending that kills OLED-like blacks. Next, install a reliable calibration tool and connect a colorimeter. Create and save an ICC profile to use as your baseline before deeper adjustments. Now you sculpt image behavior to mimic OLED. Increase contrast to maximize dynamic range, but immediately reduce backlight or brightness to preserve deep blacks. Try between 10 and 30% brightness as a starting point. Then set gamma to 2 and fine-tune RGB gains to eliminate color casts in near black areas. This creates the perceived depth OLED have. Finally, enable your monitor's dynamic contrast or use software overlays that simulate local dimming. These create stronger black levels in high-contrast scenes. Finish by refining clarity and verifying results. Apply subtle sharpening, low amount, small radius, so details pop without introducing halos. This helps emulate OLED crispness. Load your final ICC profile and test with HDR-like, high-contrast content to confirm shadow depth and color fidelity. If you see banding, enable dithering in your GPU settings or increase bit depth where possible. This reduces posterization. If blacks look crushed,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.